Guys, another update. We have most of our electric ran. We're almost ready to close up. A lot of our plumbing is almost done as well. You can see our showers, and this will be a sink, toilet, and then shower basin. Those are going in. Some of them are going to be rolling, and some of them are going to have a little lip to walk in. And we also have rooms dedicated for showers here for clients that can't shower on their own. But every room's going to come equipped with a shower. So we have bath facilities that, you know, for clients that will need a little more one-on-one care. So we got our electrical ran. Now we're gonna have like sconces coming down. It's gonna look really nice. We have really elevated sconces on each side to light the hallway up. So these are electrical outlets for the sconces. This will be like a sitting room with a TV here, some couch situation. Still working on furniture. I'll let you guys know what I decide on picking out, or even if you guys have some suggestions, let me know. But the rooms are pretty much wrapping up, and we'll be prepping for closing out soon. Most of the sprinklers are done. This will be another sitting room right here. So all these are rooms on this side. On either side, all these are rooms. It's a lot of work to do, but they're rolling. See the lights, shower basin here, toilet, sink. It's the elevator shaft right here still. This is going to be the salon. So this will be a salon here. We'll have the salon sink and a couple dryer bowls and some seating. And then there's a restroom right here in the salon. So this is going to be like an open salon area for clients to get their hair and nails done. I definitely wanted to have a space like that in here. And downstairs is going to be more area. And we're rolling on that. There's a dining room. That's still looking the same. So we store a lot of our material. And wrapping up around here. Rolling on a lot of stuff. The electricals ran on this wing.